Okay guys, we're making a spicy, or no, let's call it spiced, a spiced potato salad today. And for this we need some either carrots or courgettes, new potatoes, small as you can, some oil, cumin seeds, yellow mustard seeds, orange juice, white wine vinegar and some salt and pepper. I've also got a little bit of Tabasco sauce on standby just in case I want to spruce it up a little bit. Let's get cooking. Okay then, first up we need to get some water on the boil. Just a little bit of salt in it as well. And if you haven't got really small potatoes, and these are new potatoes but they're not quite small enough, so I'm just going to chop these down a little bit so they're in little chunky bits. I don't normally like doing this because they can go to mush a little bit if you're not quick enough, or you're too slow with the boiling, if you know what I mean. We want to boil them and simmer them so they're just cooked but still got a bit of firmness to them. I suppose you'd call it al dente, wouldn't you? Yeah, what's that going to be, about 15 to 20 minutes I suppose. I'm making enough for 2 people here, but the recipe down below will be for 4 people, and as usual everything's in there so you haven't got to bother thinking about anything. Not thinking is my favourite hobby. I've got the fan on already because I know that's going to steam up the lens. Now I could make you sit here and watch these boil for the next quarter of an hour. I'm going to cut you off and bring you back when they're just about ready. There we are, that's them just done. Let's turn that off. I'm going to go and strain these out, back in a second. There we are, just leave those to one side for now. Whew. Right then. Here's the fun part. Make some ribbons. This is a, is it a soleil courgette. Like I said, you can use carrots, but I like courgettes. I've got a very good video actually on 12 things to do with a glut of courgettes. It's quite popular this time of year, gets loads and loads of repeated views. And like I said, I'm doing this for serves 2, which is me really. If you're doing it for 4 people, I'll use 2 or 3 courgettes or 3 or 4 carrots. I reckon that's going to be enough for me, you know. Yeah, that'll do. Right, set those to one side. Right, on with the heat again. Splash of oil. And what we're going to do now, we're going to toast some, or toast, not toast, fry some spices. So we want, let's get it hot first before I stop talking, Steve. Right, a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Roughly, a few more. Teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds. I do like these Bart's pots. I don't know if I've showed you before. One way you open them, you can get your spoon in. And if you open the lid the other way, it's a sprinkler. They're brilliant, aren't they? Brilliant. Right, digressing here. A teaspoon of them. And give that a quick stir in. And on with the lid. I'm going to start popping in a minute. It's like popcorn. That should do. We don't want them too poppy. In with the carrot or courgette. And give this a bit of a cooking down. Nice and soft. Don't need the lid for that anymore. just 1 or 2 minutes, and then it's in with the juices. Okay, in with the orange juice. This might start fizzing a bit now. Yep. In with the white wine vinegar. Let's put that bit on in there. In with a little bit of salt. In with a bit of black pepper. And I am going to use a splash of Tabasco, because you know I like my warmth. You can omit this, obviously. 2 or 3 drops maybe, or 4 or 5, oh, crikey, 8 drops. And back in with the potatoes. And these are just right. So stir these gently. Shouldn't need much warming through these because they're already just boiled. Let's get them warming through. Let's get these lids on before I knock things over. And that is it, guys. Time to serve it up. Here we go then. Spud first. A little bit of warmth to it. Liking that. Somewhat different for the barbecue anyway. I'll tell you what, guys, that is just the right amount of heat for me. It's not too, well, it's not spicy at all, it's spiced. Loving this one. Look after yourself, guys. Take care. I will catch you on that next recipe.